I try to give you guys recommendations sometimes of like Netflix series, especially foreign language Netflix series that I like to watch. I don't know how many people's taste is that similar to mine, but if you feel like we have similar taste in like the things you've seen me watch, which is pretty a broad spectrum of things actually. So I don't think that necessarily we have to like all the same. You know what? I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I saw that this was being promoted again on the Only on Netflix tab. And when that happens, sometimes, not always, but a lot of times it means that they are producing a new season. So I opened it to look and check it out. Season 3 coming Wednesday. You guys, if you have not seen Control Z, it's a Mexican show. It's about like this cliquey, weird group of teenagers. The girl that plays Luna Love, I think that's her name on the Gossip Girl reboot. She's in this series as well. So there's like all kinds of drama, but it's also a mysterious, like there's violence, sex, drugs, mystery. Super good. So many twists and turns. The second season ending was fantastic. I'm so excited to see what they do for the third season. With Netflix series, usually 3 seasons is about the most that they get, so I'm really excited. Anyway, if you want something to binge watch like this weekend, the holiday weekend, whatever. Well, it's the holiday weekend when I'm filming this. It won't be the holiday weekend when you see this. Anyway, the third season will be out when you see this, but definitely check this out on Netflix. Control Z. Y'all, I am in the bathtub. I got one little creeper here and another creeper up there. That's my hair drying towel. That is my bath towel. That is what I'm going to dry my body off with. And this little creepy, dirty brat just sitting on there staring like a creep. Huh? Juju, little brat. She can't hear me. I waved my hand at her. Yo, little brat. Look at those brats. Look at the face of this brat. That is a brat face. Yes. Hey, yo. Look at the face of this brat. This is a brat face. What's a brat face? Oh, they're creepy little brats. Little creepers. Oh no. You little brat. can barely see them. We go back inside. So, yeah, since I am still kind of recovering, yesterday I binged the show, I can't think of the name of it. It was really good though. I recommend it. And when I remember it, I'll tell you about it. Today we're doing God's Favorite Idiot. I am soaking the last two of my gel nails off. This one I'm not taking off because it's actually, the skin is damaged, or like the nail is damaged, so I'm leaving it alone. Soaking these two off and redoing nails. This is literally all I got going on right now. So I'm getting ready. To watch the season finale of The Boys, which isn't on Netflix, it's on Amazon. But the show that I was trying to tell you about the other day that I watched, I remembered, it's Maldivas. Okay, so it's Maldivas. It's on Netflix. 7 episodes, 30 minutes long. It's so easy to binge watch. It's in Portuguese because it's set in Brazil, but it's really easy to watch. It's like a bit twisty-turny, but not too twisty-turny where you get confused, but not so easy to figure out that you're not like, that was pretty, I saw that coming. It's actually like really good. It's pretty clever. It's definitely the kind of thing that I see having a season 2 in the future. So Maldivas, check it out. Both the kitties. They're big drops.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It's big drop. Yeah.
Whoa.
Like
Oh my
proper
God,
rain.
it's
Phone
soaking me.
Nearly complete stop.
Yep.
But even just downhill a little bit, it's going to bring a lot harder just right over there.
Yep. Gigi, are you going outside? Oh. What is proper face attire? Kitten out. What are your little feet doing? What are your little feet doing? So I feel like I'm only ever talking to you guys about my TV shows this month, but they've put out a lot of good stuff in July. So anyway, this is Rebelde, and it's another Mexican like teeny bopper, like soap opera-y drama show, but it's like super cheesy because it's like high school, not High School Musical. What's Glee? That's the one. It's like Mexican Glee. Anyway, I am really into these Mexican TV shows, like the younger ones, not like the telenovelas, but the younger kind of like college student age ones. I really like how they embrace like diversity and just like not like just ethnic diversity, but also like gender, sexual orientation, like just a lot of things. And I can't help it, but I'm like really digging some of the characters of this show. I finished all of the season 3 of Control Z, and I really want to go back and watch the whole series again. Like I'm just really having a good time watching these shows, you guys. So I highly recommend them. I'm not like sad, I'm just like so excited. I don't know why, it's so dumb. So by the time that I heard it was raining and came outside, the rain's already passed. But I don't know if you can see that it's still raining over there east, like northeast on the strip. Like you can really tell this way. That's how fast the monsoon rains come and go. And that's why like the flash floods are super bad. Damn it, I'm sad I missed it. Oh well. So, I was craving pizza. I have been feeling really just not good. I was craving pizza. I did what I said I wasn't gonna do, which was watch the entire second season of Netflix Rebelde in one go. Nope, I totally binge watched the whole season the moment it was released, and I can say that I feel let down, because I don't feel let down by it, but I thought it was, like, some of the changes that they had made, like, just in the characters and stuff, felt a little unnatural. Like, it felt less like they had grown naturally and more like they were forced. So, that's just a personal preference, like, personal picky, like, some people may not feel that way, but I thought it felt kind of forced. But the ending of the season was satisfying, so if there's not another season, I will be satisfied. But if there is another season, I will be excited to see how things go. So, definitely still recommend. And now, I have a salad too, but my mom always said, like, eat hot food first while it's hot. Eat hot food while it's hot. So, anyway, that's all. If you haven't checked out my family vacation vlog, do so. See you later. So, we just had a power outage. It's really close to storming. It's been like this all day. The thunder and lightning will get really bad. I'm still inside because it's not raining. It's too hot. But yeah. And the storm is kicking in. It's just wind and lightning and thunder. No rain yet. But lots of crap blowing around. My door was blown open just now. Freddy is like so curious. So this is super yellow light in here, but that's more accurate color of the sky before it turns that yellow. Yeah, crazy. So we just had another power outage. Like, ooh, it's trying. We are on the shittiest power grid. I swear, like, our section of the power grid is so bad. And let me see if I can show you before it comes back on. This hotel right across the street is on the same grid, so they lose power. Like, the whole hotel loses power. They don't have like a backup. It's ridiculous. So if you want to stay at the Hampton Inn off Tropicana, be careful. It's storming, like if it's during the storm seasons in November and July, you might get a power outage. So I was trying to kick on. Sometimes it will try to kick back on and then it won't. It just doesn't for a long time because, like I said, our grid is so bad. I have a feeling this is gonna be one of those times. So I probably shouldn't use up my battery. No, I have my portable battery, so it'll be fine. But I think my older son is asleep. My younger son went out bowling. I think he was going bowling. They're in a different power grid, so he's probably not losing power where they went. Anyway, fun. So of course our Wi-Fi is out because the power's out. It's like pitch. It is never so black as when the power goes out. Like, you never realize how much ambient lighting there is until there's a power outage. Play games on my phone or read a book. I'm not sure what. So the power's still out, but the thunder and lightning have started. Let's see if I can get any of it. I might have to open the as you can see, the Hilton is not Hilton, the Hampton Inn is still out. I feel so bad. People that stay there, I think only conventioners stay there, so it's not too many tourists. Oh, come on. The lightning is so good here. There it is. We have a severe thunderstorm warning, flash flood warning, dust storm, low visibility. There you go. It's so good. Yeah, so one of the transformers blew. So the power's gonna be out for a while. I have to remember to turn the lights off if I go to sleep. I'm really tired. Anyway, I'm gonna go. So our power came on at 10 p.m. so about 2.5 hours after it went out. I should have said when it went out, but it was like 7:38. Just in time too, because our neighbors were starting to get like snippy with each other. I didn't really want to hear a fight. The storm stopped. It's pretty clear outside now and it's not windy or anything. But yeah, that's basically our weather. Like in the summer, it's crazy. We have one of these blackouts, like, I'm not even kidding you, like several times a year, like hours long blackouts because our power grid is so fucked up, so bad. We're on just like the worst part of the grid. It's really old and congested. Anyway, I am going to now get some water, go to the bathroom, and go to bed.
You should know